guys, thanks for watching. Sorry, thanks for watching the Regal series. As you can see, just coming out into the shed tonight for what's going to be the next part of the restoration series, which will be dismantling all of this into basically its two main components, which is the front suspension and assembly. The engine will be coming out, and the back end will be disconnected. The fuel tank will be out of it, obviously. So I'm going to stick this on a time-lapse video, and we'll just see how it goes. I thought this was a great chance to just stop the time lapse and have a quick look at this tank. I mean, it came out no problem. All the nuts and bolts came out spot on. Now, all it's on it is surface rust. I mean, give that a sand back, and that's near enough like new. I think what we'll do with this tank is blank off all the fittings, gently sand it back, blast the bits that I can't get the sander into, so these little corners, and get it all looking like new, paint it back up again. That's amazing though. I mean, there's not even any problems with it at all. So yeah, on to the next job, which will be the prop shaft, I think. Right, so I've just removed the lower coolant pipe of the engine, just getting ready for taking it out. And I just thought I'll put my finger on the end of it to have just typical look in. I'm not sure if you can get a good look at that. Pipe's completely blocked, so the engine's totally crusted up with old coolant. In fact, I don't even know how solid that is. I'll go and have a look into it, but yeah, short interlude just in between time lapse. Right, I'm quite exhausted. I've just done something I wasn't planning on doing. The engine's out. Eventually got it out. I was going to get some help to get it out, and then I thought, oh, I'll just try it, and what a weight. That's the heaviest engine I've probably lifted myself. Cast iron engine. Lovely. But I think that'll be enough for tonight, and the rest I'll continue tomorrow. To like and subscribe the videos. The more you subscribe, the more I'm going to post content. It boosts me into knowing that you like what you're seeing. And let's hopefully make this channel very popular. It would mean a lot to me seeing this productions of these cars and everything actually being liked more than I thought they would ever be. So thanks for subscribing, and hit the like button. Hit the like button. Hit the alarm bell, hit subscribe, and follow the channel.